Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Shopify, but suddenly images aren't loading. Well, if a product images or banners aren't loading in your Shopify store, it can seriously hurt conversations. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix this image loading issues in Shopify in this 2026 version. Well, let's get started. Number 1. Make sure you just open your device, everything is looking good, you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way to Shopify and try and refresh the page, since temporary loading issues can occur. Okay, let's say for example I'm here, I'm just gonna tap on refresh, then wait for the full window to be refreshed. You can also go all the way to the Shopify home by tapping on Shopify here and see if it's working properly. Then go and check the image file size, since large images may fail to load properly. Re-upload the image. Corrupted uploads can cause display issues. You should also go to online store here, then tap on the stamps page and ensure the image sections are enabled. Tap on edit here. Then it will show you the whole store basically. Make sure everything is looking good here as well. Disable any image optimization apps that you are using, since some apps break image rendering. By going back or by going all the way to this app section by tapping on settings all the way to apps, then uninstall any apps that you aren't using or that probably they are the reason why you are getting this error. Check your custom code as well, since incorrect CSS or JavaScript can hide the images. You can also give it a test on another device if needed. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.